Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about girls dyeing their own hair at home. So if you are in the mood for dyeing your own hair, because sometimes you do not want to head to the salon, then this video will definitely inspire you. It might also make you second think your choices and say, hey, maybe I better book that appointment. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so the first video clip doesn't actually showcase a hair dye situation, but this girl's hair is just amazing to me. Like, she has these blonde bleached eyebrows, and I don't know how she somehow manages to pull this off, but she's rocking like this orange wig in this video, and it is just like a color combination that is just on fire. If you can check out her Instagram, definitely check it out, because she has all type of exotic wig colors and stuff on the gram, and they all look bomb. So I just had to give credit where credit was due. I'm sure she probably dyes these wigs herself, so yeah, they look really, really good. Alright, so the next clip is a hair transformation. I don't know if this is her sister or what, but she is teaming up with this other girl, and she is cutting her hair. You can see that she's got a lot of hair in her hand, and she's also dyeing her hair. So she's got this bright, bold red color that she's gonna put in her hair. Oh, and she's got orange too. So this is like a flaming combination. Let's see how this thing turns out. Okay, that actually looks pretty cute. Yeah, it came out real cute. Alright, so the second girl, or third girl rather, she is dyeing her hair. It looks like some type of like blue color or purple. So she has dreadlocks, and you know, when you dye your hair with dreadlocks, of course, it's going to be permanent, just like with regular hair. So she's combining like these color combinations to get, I guess, the desired color she wants. Looks like there's blue in the front and purple in the back. Alright, now let's see. Oh, wow. That came out really pretty, like way better than I expected. I really love that combination. I wouldn't rock it, but it looks good on her. Alright, so in this next clip, it's the same girl, obviously. And I think in this clip, she's touching up her dreadlocks and just kind of like smoothing them out, touching them up, making them look better. You know, sometimes you gotta touch things up, make sure it's looking good. Okay, so she decided to cut them. Yeah, that's cute. That's hot. Alright, so in the next clip, we see a girl, and she is trying to dye her hair some type of pink or something. So blonde in the front. Oh, actually, it's more like a maroon. So blonde in the front, maroon in the back. That's hot. Alright, so I guess this is part 2 for this video, and it's a little bit more detailed as far as like the coloring process that she did to achieve this look. So if you want the full details on that, you can check out her TikTok or whatever, and just kind of get the rundown of exactly what's what with this hair color. But I will just say that I love this color combination, and I think this lady is some type of stylist or something, because this is a hard look to achieve at home. Like, this is not playing kitchen beautician. This is, you got some skills and you know what you're doing, because that front part of the hair is like super, super blonde. And there's no way you can do that at home unless you know what you're doing. So, just putting that out there. Yeah, so this is the full results. You can see that is blonde, baby blonde. So yeah, unless you know what you're doing and you got a license, you're a colorist, then I wouldn't advise doing this yourself. So that color combination is hot. Alright, so this video, she is kind of doing, I guess, what is it, wax paint? And she's doing like a silver color, and she's gonna do like that little trend of the skunk stripe. Is that what they call it? Skunk stripe trend. So that's pretty cute. I mean, I would say this is like more so if you're like younger and you want like a quick little change up to your hair, switch up, you just want to do something different. That's a cute little vibe right there. Alright, so in this video, was that the same girl? I think it was the same girl. So in this one, she's doing a completely different hair color change. Actually, you know what? I think this is a different girl. Yeah, this is a different girl. So it looked like she's trying to go blonde. She got her friend or somebody's sister helping her out. That's always a good technique when you get ready to do your own hair and you coloring it and stuff. Get somebody to help you out. She's doing the foils to help lock in the moisture and to help it lighten faster. That's what they do at the salon, so you know it works. But let's see. Ooh, that is yellow, yellow, yellow. So she used the toner. Oh my gosh, wow, that came out really good for at home. Yes, queen. Kind of inspired me. And I'm not even thinking about dyeing my hair. Alright, so the next girl is dyeing her hair. Her hair is already like a reddish tone or whatever. I don't know if she's doing a touch up or she's doing, looks like she's putting on, yeah, it looks like she's doing a touch up and look, yeah, she went a little bit lighter and she did a touch up. I don't know, sis. I don't know if I'm feeling that. Alright, so for the next clip, this girl has red. And, oh, she's mixing black in there. Okay, that's different. Wow. That's like the skunk stripe trend times 20. Okay. Oh, that's kind of hot. And she did her eyebrows too. Like, who are you right now? I like that. Now, that's a look I would never be able to pull off, but once again, that looks good on her. I would never rock it, but she can pull it off. So, yes. Alright, so moving on. Now, she already has a little bit. She's got the skunk stripe, 2 different colors going. And I guess she's trying to brighten it up, lighten it up. I don't know. She's playing kitchen beautician. Let's see what she does. She's mixing it up, shaking it, shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. I mean, if she's just like touching up the color, she already did like a good job the first time. So I'm pretty sure she can achieve a good look for the second one. Alright, so she's putting the color in, smoothing it out. You gotta smooth, smooth, smooth. Oh, so she actually like darkened it a little bit, but that's hot still. I like that. Alright, so the next girl is doing like a red dye job. She had to go to the store because she forgot gloves or something. And then she's back at home, but her hair is already maroon, so she must be just like touching up the roots or something. Yeah. Now, red is typically an easy color for black women to do because it takes to our hair really, really well. Alright, so the next girl, or the last girl, she's doing highlights at home. Now, highlights at home is a whole nother ball game. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That came out so good. It looked like she went to the salon and paid like hundreds of dollars. Wow. She got skills. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all in the next one.